We're live. Okay. Hello and welcome to another live stream. I'm Michael Coates and I'm the founder and the creator of the sewingguru.com. Now, for those of you who doesn't know what that is, it is a sewing learning website. Now, we've got some great things. We've got some freebies and we've got a really fantastic offer on at the moment as well. And I'm going to go through very quickly how you can get all of that because they really are not to be missed. They really are. So what we're going to do is, this is the first offer. 65% off any recurring Sewing Guru membership. Now this is a full membership to the site. And all you got to do is you got to just put in coupon code, as you can see it there, SEW65. See it there? SEW65. So we will be putting that back on in a moment so that you don't forget. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go live on the internet now and I'm going to show you how to get that. So here we are live at the internet, and as you can see, this is the Sewing Guru website. Now there is various links on the post within Facebook. And if you're watching it on YouTube, it's within the description as well. But we have here a free membership. So when you click the free membership form, all you have to do is fill out the form here, right? And we also have free e-tips as well. So when you click the free e-tip links here, it's the same form, but this will also be added to your account as well. All you got to do is just add in your name, your email, choose a username, choose a password, and answer this anti-spam question. The really simple. This one's 200, take away 30, which is 170. And then you click this and you click next, and you will then be automatically added to the control panel, and you will be able to get your free sewing e-tips, the same as your free membership here. So what we will do is I'm going to show you what that looks like. But look who's come to join us. Are you going to say hello, Ollie?
Hello.
And what day is it today?
Father's Day.
That's right, it's Father's Day. And look at this here, I've got a big bag of little light chewy sweets. Look at that, he already wants one. Now, I love to have these when we're sort of like working behind the computer and everything. Do you want one, Ali? Do you want one? There you go. Oh, he loves all that. He's like me, he loves all that kind of thing. So it's been great. We've been out and had a lovely day, and then I thought, right, what we'll do is, well, the best way to end the day is what we're going to go, just go live. Go live. And here he is, he thought he'd join me. What have you got there, Ollie? A Rubik's Cube. I remember when I used to have one of those at school.
Oh, did you?
And I could only do 3 sides. That's all I could do. I couldn't do the full thing. I could do 3 sides, which I thought was really impressive. But there's probably lots of people out there that can do the full thing, all 6 sides. So what we're going to do is, what we're doing now is we're going to show people about the free membership, the free sewing e-tips, and we're going to talk about the website as well. And then there's also a coupon code that they can add in and then get 65% off any recurring membership. Look at that, you got one side red.
And you can do a full side.
Yeah, that's right, a full side. That's really clever, isn't it, Ollie? Yeah? Right. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the internet, and this is the Sewing Guru website, and I'm going to show you what you can get in here. The site is absolutely huge. So what we're going to do is go to membership. Oh no, that's not right. Hang on, we're going to go to video index. Here we are. This here is what's included with every single membership. So you get all of this. You get a complete sewing course for the beginner. 21 exercises there with 21 ebooks included, which you can download. But this here is the sewing course for the beginner. So if you're beginners, this is fantastic. And every single course is all video based. So it's really great. We have here also a sewing machine course for the beginner. So if you're not too sure of how to get of what to do about getting a sewing machine and how to use it, we have a sewing course for the sewing machine course for the beginner there. Now we also have complete collections as well. Now there's one thing that I did. Oh yeah, there's a beginner's course, 21 exercises. Now there's also 10 advanced follow-on sewing lessons as well from the beginner's course. So there's an extra 10 videos there. And again, they're all videos, which is great for visual learners. It's the best way to learn, in my opinion. So we've got all of these here. So we've got literally 31 videos here for beginners only. Then when you feel a bit more advanced, you can then start creating your own garments. So we have all of these different collections. Look at them all. Measuring, pattern construction, gents tailored trousers, the gents tailored jacket, another tailored jacket there, the gents waistcoat, the gents shirt, the dress, the skirt, the ladies trousers. And then we have here more collections. These are extended collections. These are just standard collections. These are extended, which means it shows you how to do pattern construction and toile makeup and manipulating to the toile to make it fit perfectly, and the actual garment makeup all in one. So that's the extended collection. We've got quite a few of those as well. Look at them all here. We have a section on accessories. So we've got bow ties, cummerbunds, cravats, all sorts. They're all there. And then we also have a massive section of alterations. So garment alterations. So I think there's about 50 standalone alterations there for lots of different garments. We have a pet wear course, massive pet wear course. Now each course here of the pet wear, or projects, call them projects, there is a pattern that comes with it, a PDF pattern which downloads. So you've got an entire course here, all to do with pet wear. And then we also have a sewing crafts course as well. Again, all of these different projects come with their own pattern. And then we also have a full machinery embroidering course, which is also included as well. So as you can see, the site is massive. It really is. It's absolutely huge. And when you are a full member, you have access to all of that. Now, we do have a free membership as well, which gives you access to something like 22 videos, and it gives you the layout of what it looks like as a full member. So you can have a look, test it out as well first, and see if you like the Sewing Guru. And I know if you do test it out, I know you will like the Sewing Guru, and then you can just get a full membership if you want to. And that's where this coupon code of SEW65 comes in. That comes into play, because you will get 65% off any recurring membership. So without further ado, what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we are going to show you how you can get into and input your coupon code. So I'm here on the Sewing Guru. Okay. So you can click on here on the homepage, sign up. So as you can see here, these are the recurring memberships. These are the most popular ones: monthly, 6 monthly, and a yearly. We do have more options for different memberships here, but these are the main ones. So for instance, if you were going to go for a yearly membership, you would click here, buy now. And as you can see here, you have a place here where you can enter your coupon. So if you are not a member of the site, or you don't have a free membership yet, then you would fill out this form and you would enter your coupon code here. If you have got a free membership, yeah, and you already have your login details and all of that, because you create them, you create a username and you create a password here, yeah. If you have a free membership and you've already got that, then you can log in. So I'm just gonna log in here. Let's log in. There we go. So as you can see, here's me, Michael Coates, log in. So this is a 12-month membership. So what we're going to do is we're going to pay, say, with Stripe. And then we're going to put in, oh, hang on, we've got lots of different codes here. Yeah. It is Source 65. That's the current coupon we've got at the moment. So when you press pay, there you can see it automatically changes it for you. So instead of paying $142, all you do is pay $49.17. That's for an entire year. Now this here works for every single recurring membership. Monthly, 3 monthly, 6 monthly and a yearly. So if you put in the coupon code SOURCE65, it will basically take your discount off. Okay, so that's basically it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in and you will then be able to see the members section. I'm going to show you what it looks like, the free membership area, and also where you would get your free e-tips and all of that, where you can manage your account and what you get, and I'm going to show you what the free membership looks like, and basically what you get, to be honest with you. So we're going to go back to the internet. So manage my account here. So what happens is when you have your own membership, even if it's a free one, you will get your own panel here, and you will have here active subscriptions. You can see free membership. I've got all of this. We've just added a few bits here, and these are the active resources. So you can then click any one of these, and it will then take you to that resource. Now the 15 free sewing e-tips would be added as a resource here. When you click that, it will download for you automatically into your computer, and it's a PDF file, and you will end up with all 15 sewing e-tips. Now the free membership, if I click here with the free membership, this is the free membership. Now as you can see, all of these sections are exactly laid out as if you were a full member, but this, of course, is a free membership, so you can't have access to all of them. If it's got an arrow like this, it means you've got to upgrade and you've got to buy a full membership. But all of these are available. Now, we do have an offer here of a 12 months full membership, and this is just the 12 months option for $49.99. It's pretty much exactly the same as a coupon, to be honest with you, but it's there. But as you can see, all of these here are available. So if, for instance, beginners sewing courses, and I click the beginners sewing courses, and you have here the sewing machine course. This is the free membership, by the way. This is completely free. And then you've got a beginner's course as well here. So for instance, let's have a look at the beginners sewing course, which I was talking about earlier on. So as you can see, you've got here video 1, and you have access to video 1. You also have access to video 2, and then videos 3 to 21, you would have to upgrade your membership. But as you can see, it's all here, it's all available, and it just plays as normal, as you can see. So that there is the free membership. Go back to the main panel. Advanced lessons, you have access there. You've got the access to the sewing machine course, access to pattern construction, ladies tailor jacket, jeans, waistcoat with lapels, and the gents tailor trousers. And you can just have a look, see what the Sewing Guru looks like and what you'd get. But I've got to remind you, the links, click the links in the description next to this, because the links are there for the free membership, the links there for the free e-tips, and also as well coupon code SEW65. SEW65, and what that does is, of course, gives you 65% off any recurring membership. So I've showed you how to do it. It's really, really simple, and if you go for it, you can see everything within your little panel. The resources are all there that you go for, the free e-tips, so on and so forth. But like I say, the site, it's amazing for learners, it really is, and it's such fantastic value, it really is, because there is so much there, and it's all video based, step by step. It is so good. It really, really is fantastic. there's nothing more really I can say about this. It's such a great learning resource. If I had this when I was younger and learning to sew, it would have been absolutely amazing for me. I mean, what we're going to do is I'm going to go back now to the internet. This is a full membership here. Okay, so of course if you're a full member you would have complete access to all of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at, say, the jacket with a shawl collar. And as you can see, all of these videos here, there's 32 videos. You have pattern measurement worksheets in PDF formats. There's a garment worksheet there, the inside pockets. You've got all of your things here available for what you need to create this jacket. And we're going to go to the first video, equipment. And as you can see, this is 11 minutes 37 seconds long. Video number 2, 11, nearly 12 minutes again. Go to video 5, 27 minutes. Video 16, 32 minutes. So, you know, we're talking, here look, 28, 16 minutes long. Video 30, 32 minutes long. So, as you can see, the videos, they're not just like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, just, you know, little videos like that. No, they're not. They're half an hour. You know, the average video, I would say, was about 20 minutes long. It's so good. And you get such a lot out of it. And not only that, it's available whenever you need it. And because the site's responsive, it's available on every single device. It's available on a PC computer. It's available on a laptop. It's available on a tablet, and it's available on your mobile phone. So it's available everywhere. So it is a fantastic resource for people who are on the go, students. Brilliant. I mean, like I say, I used to be a student. Now, if I had access to the Sewing Guru on a mobile phone, just prop your mobile phone up against your sewing machine when you are doing a project at college, and you can just log in and have a look. It's great. It really, really is. So take advantage of the offers because you will not be disappointed. Like I say, it's a great resource, and I know in this day and age, the money is very, very tight at the moment, and it's very, very hard. But you know, to be able to get a full-on sewing and tailoring course, crafting, machine embroidery, you know, with that sort of amount, I mean, if you were to go for the monthly membership with the 65% off, only works out at $7.70 per month. It's nothing. You know, it's nothing really in terms of what you get back. It's really, really worth going for. So before I wrap up, I've got to say thank you for watching. And if you've got any questions, email us and we'll get back to you. Usually a lot less than 24 hours, we'll get back to you straight away, and we'll be able to help you out. But like I say, thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video, or whenever I go live again. We'll see you again soon. So thank you very much. And Ollie has gone downstairs. I think he's playing or something, so I'm going to say goodbye from Ollie as well, and we'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye.